Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new lesson in Deck.Toys using the wizard. First, key in the deck name for your lesson. Then, the wizard will pop up. There are many examples here. I'm choosing the board game template for this demo. Next, choose a study set for your students. You can choose this example study set which I'm choosing English, and inside there you will find concrete nouns and abstract nouns examples with terms, definitions and images to make the lesson more interesting. Next, customize the activities that you want to see in the lesson. There are many types of study set games that you can play with your students, slide activities and all interactive, plus a very famous app called the Gauntlet app that the students really enjoy. Next, look at the magic happening on the map builder. And it's done. Go to preview deck, and on the left you will see the teacher view, and on the right the student's view. Let's try how it looks like from a student perspective. In the first game, there is the lines where students have to match the picture to the definition. There you go, done.